Lectures have had a monopoly, not just in science, but in all forms of education. The lecture has been around a long time. Universities first appeared in Western Europe in 1050, and lecturing has been the predominant form of teaching ever since. So think about that. By far the most common tool to communicate and educate about science has not really changed in just about 1,000 years. So what makes a story different than a lecture? And how do you go about building a scientific story? Where do you start? And how do you end in a way that your audience experiences a powerful story rather than suffering through a cruel lecture? Tension. Stories have tension. They must have tension, otherwise they are not really stories. Think about the thousands of stories that you've seen or heard in your life. The movies, the books, the songs, the jokes. Jokes are all stories. And what made them stories is that tension was created and then resolved. In fact, for a really powerful story that engages audiences for 5, 10, 20, 30, or 40 minutes, you're going to need to create tension over and over and over again.